Hello dear students, welcome back for your third semester mathematics classes. So as I have told, I am going to deal with your mathematics paper 2, and in the last video we have seen its syllabus, that is mathematics paper 2 syllabus we have seen, which contains group theory, integral calculus and differential equations. So now let us start with the unit 4, that is differential equations 1. Here it is differential equation 1, which contains only the differential equations of first order and first degree. Which are those? That is again types we are going to study. That will be homogeneous differential equation. Next comes exact differential equations and then linear differential equations. All these differential equations we are studying only of first order and first degree. Then next we will take first definition, that is differential equation. So what is a differential equation? That is an equation containing derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables. Andre enre differential equation andra one equation olaga adrag dependent variable irtada, independent variable irtada with respect to again the derivatives of dependent variables with respect to the independent variables. That all are there, then that equation becomes, what is that? Differential equation. So after that, here we have studied in the first order and first degree. I have told that then comes what is order. That is what we will study now, order of a differential equation. So order of a differential equation, that is, it is the order of highest order derivative present in that equation. That means one differential equation we will consider. In that, whatever the highest order derivative present, that it is, that order we will take it as order of a differential equation. So let us take example for this order of a differential equation. So first example I have taken here, d square y divided by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x. Here clearly I have written there order is equal to 2. Why? Because see here d square y by dx square is the highest order derivative. Even though we have dy by dx, it is first order derivative. Next it is the d square y by dx square, that is second order derivative. Then which is the highest order derivative here we can get? That is obviously d square y by dx square, and it is order 2. Therefore we have taken there order is equal to 2. Next example here I have taken, that is d cube y divided by dx cube raised to 4 by 3 plus y is equal to x cube. Now order is equal to 3 I have written. Why? Because in this example only the order, that is derivative exists, that is of third order, that is d cube y divided by dx cube. Therefore directly we can write here order is equal to 3. So till now we have seen order and the example for the order of a differential equation. Next we will take degree of a differential equation. What is this degree? That is, it is the power of highest order derivative in the differential equation after removing radical power. That means one differential equation we will consider. In that, whatever the highest order derivative it is there, its power. What is that power is there? That we will consider it as degree of a differential equation. Here one thing we have to remember, that is removing the radical power. Ee power 4 by 3, 1 by 2 higu irboudri. A radical power remove ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು power ಉಳಿತದ, that we will take it as degree of a differential equation. So for that degree, to understand this one, I have taken again same two examples whichever we have considered for order. That is first one d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x. And there you can see degree is equal to 1 I have written. Why? Because here d square y by dx square is the highest order derivative and its power is 1 is there. Therefore we will get there degree is equal to 1. But here the second example is little bit different. What is that? Here d cube y divided by dx cube raised to 4 by 3 plus y is equal to x cube is there. Here you can see that I have written degree is equal to 4. How we will get that? See, d cube y divided by dx cube raised to 4 by 3 plus y is equal to x cube is there. Directly you should not write degree as 4/3. Why? Because while telling the degree, I have taken that after removing the radical power, whatever degree, that is whatever power it is there, that we will take it as a degree. Now here power is 4/3. We have to remove that. For that I will take cubing on both sides of this equation. Yes, cubing on both sides of this equation. Then this will be a plus b whole cube, and it is x cube raised to cube. Obviously you can write it as x raised to 6. Yes, here after expanding, somewhere you will get as only 4/3 and again its cube, that is a cube value. Now this 3 and 3 I will cancel. Yes, 4/3 into 3 you will get, that is 3 get cancels. So what is remaining? D cube y divided by dx cube raised to 4. Yes, for this highest order derivative d cube y by dx cube. Now what its power becomes? That is 4. Therefore now I can write here degree is equal to 4. That is what directly I have given, degree is equal to 4. Why means, yes, you have to understand that after removing radical power you should get the degree. That's why I have taken cubing on both sides. Il denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪವರ್ ನಾವ ಪವರ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4/3 ಅದಕ್ಕನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ. If suppose 4/2 it is there, then you have to take squaring on both sides. Yes, after expanding you will get the only whole number, that is 4 we have got here. Therefore I can write here degree is equal to 4. So this is about degree. So next we will take types of differential equation. There are two types. First one is ordinary differential equation and next comes partial differential equation. So first let us define this ordinary differential equation. What is this? That is, in short, ordinary differential equation I have taken it as ODE. Now let us define that. That is a differential equation containing ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable. What is that? Differential equation we will consider. In that derivatives we will get. There you can get more than one dependent variable. 2 dependent variable we can get. 3 dependent variable we can get. Yes, many more like that. But the derivatives whatever we are taking of the dependent variables, that must be with respect to only one independent variable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. Ordinary derivatives ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? dy by dx, d square y by dx square, like that. That must be contains in that equation. Then that equation becomes ODE, or you can tell it as ordinary differential equation. So here I have taken the example. That is, first example is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. In this first example, the dependent variable is y and independent variable is x. And see here, d square y by dx square is there, plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. Here only one independent variable, that is x is there, and even the dependent variable is 1. That is this ordinary differential equation means, I have already told you only one independent variable must be there, that is what? X is there. Therefore this becomes an ordinary differential equation. Second one, that is next example, dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x minus 1. Again here only one dependent variable is there, that is y. Next is the only one independent variable, x is there, that is therefore, and also the derivatives are with respect to only x. Therefore this is also becomes an ordinary differential equation. So here we can take this ordinary differential equation. Then next we will take, that is partial differential equation. Here again this partial differential equation I can take it as PDE. Yes, PDE I can write. Then what is this PDE? Let us define that. A differential equation containing partial derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಒನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಒನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಒನ್ independent variables. Yes, that is what here our PDE or partial differential equation. So with example I have taken, that is if u is equal to f of xy, where u is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables, then for this function u is equal to f of xy, I can take one partial differential equation as dou square u divided by dou x square plus 2xy into dou square u divided by dou x into dou y plus dou square u divided by dou y square is equal to 0. Here our dependent variable is only one, that is u, and here derivatives exist with respect to two independent variables, that is dou square u divided by dou x square, one derivative is there, and again the second dou square u divided by dou y square, that is with respect to y. Therefore with respect to both the independent variable we have derivatives, and hence we can take it as the example for partial differential equation. Again I will take one more example, that is with respect to two dependent variable. U is equal to f1 of xy, that is one there, and v is equal to f2 of xy. Here u and v are dependent variables, then independent variables you can tell, that is x and y. With respect to u and v, I have taken again one partial derivative, that is dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square v divided by dou y square is equal to 0. Yes, this is the second example. Then here I have taken ODE and PDE. Then after this, here in this chapter we are studying only ordinary differential equations. Yes, so we will leave partial differential equation and let us take the ordinary differential equations. In that, first one is linear differential equation. What is this linear differential equation? Let us define now. That is an nth order ordinary differential equation of the type a naught of x into nth derivative of y plus a1 of x into n minus 1th derivative of y plus an plus and so on plus an minus 1 into dy by dx plus an of x into y is equal to g of x. Now one ordinary differential equation we will take of the nth order, that is this one I have told you, and it is called as linear differential equation of nth order if, that is it satisfies two conditions. Which are those? That is y, y dash, y double dash, so on up to y raised to n should be of power 1 and they are not multiplying together. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗ y, y dash, y double dash, so on up to y raised to n. If those derivatives exist, these powers must be 1. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. y square, y cube we should not get, and also we should not get y into y dash, or you can tell it as y into dy by dx. Those conditions must not arise. If that conditions not arises, then we can tell our ordinary differential equation becomes a linear differential equation. Yes, what is linear differential equation? Differential equation consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರಾಗ y into dy by dx ನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, y into d square y by dx square ನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. That is what I have told. y, y dash, y double dash, so on up to y raised to n should not multiplying together, and also their powers must be 1. Then that time that equation we can take it as a linear differential equation. So here I will take examples for now. Linear differential equation, that is what? dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. Here I have taken only dy by dx, not as the d square y by dx square. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೇವಿ. ಸೊ I will not take the linear differential equations in that d square y by dx square. Hence I have taken only dy by dx in the example. So dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನದ ರೀ? 1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1 ಅಂಡ್ ಪವರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್? ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ dy by dx power is 1, then degree also becomes 1, and here y and dy by dx are not multiplying together, therefore this becomes a linear differential equation. Next example, that is dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x. Again, this also satisfies those two conditions of linear differential equations. Hence, I can take the second one also linear differential equation. So, you have taken linear differential equation definition and example for the linear differential equation. Now, next let us define non-linear differential equation. This is one easy. Linear differential equation define ಮಾಡೇವ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅವು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ and differential equation with higher power of derivatives or y is called non-linear differential equation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ derivatives ಗ ಇಲ್ಲ y ಗ highest power ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ನಾವು non-linear differential equation. Yes, for that again example is there. d square y by dx square plus y into dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Here second order derivative is there and then y into first order derivative is there. Then this is becomes a non-linear differential equation. Why? Because y into dy by dx is there. So this is of the non-linear differential equation type. Next one example I have taken, that is d cube y divided by dx cube raised to 2 plus y cube is equal to x. Here for the third order derivative we have power 2, that is what higher power is there, and even for the y we have higher power, that is what y cube is there. Therefore this also becomes a non-linear differential equation. And similarly the third one example, that is y raised to 4 is there, therefore highest power of y exists in the equation, hence it becomes a non-linear differential equation. So till now we have seen linear differential equation and again non-linear differential equation and its examples. So next, that is we will take solutions of differential equation, and that I will continue in the next video, and thank you.